Hi there, welcome to my video on how to set up a free lesson or chapter in your Thinkific course. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do it. I'm going to show you how you can do it in Thinkific, how easy it is to set up, and why you may want to offer this as a way to sell your course, grow your audience, and continue to grow your following. So one of the things behind the free lesson is that sometimes people aren't ready to buy the entire course when you send them an email and you try to nurture them through different campaigns. And so the idea is that you can use this free lesson or free chapter as a way to entice and hook them in. The benefit is that it really gives them a preview of the quality of your course, the quality of your teaching, and the quality of the learning experience. So all that is a great way to hook them in and get them to want to buy the rest of the course. Because the idea is if the first set of lessons, the first chapter, any access that you give them to free is just really solid and just gold worth gold, and they'll really want to buy the rest of the course. So let me just show you how it looks right now. So this is a course that I'm demoing right now. And you see some of these lessons have the I, and so that means that those are part of my free preview. And so if there is no I, then this isn't free, but I'm just going to show you how it works. If you go into the individual lesson and click on the Make This a Free Lesson, and then click on Save. So then you can then decide how many lessons and or chapters that you want to give away for free. This is really just an intro, so of course I would want to make that free, but the meat of my course maybe could be the market research. How I teach people to do this could be worth gold or premium gold, however you like to call it. And so I may want to also make this free because I think once people are hooked in and they get some results, then I can follow up with them and say, hey, I noticed you watched all the lessons from the first course. And so give me some feedback and click on the link to buy the rest of the course. And so a couple of things that caveats about this is there is a pricing options that you can set up. So while the course may show like a one-time payment of, let's just say $100, if your students are consuming the free content and then they want to have multiple options, multiple pricing options afterwards, then you can click here in the set additional pricing and just say, well, I can give you a monthly payment plan of, a recurring of $20 for, 5 months. As a way to help people who are needing payment assistance be able to afford and buy your course. So that's one way that you can set it up so that you have the option, besides people who are so people could say they want to pay up front, so you can charge a one-time payment, but then you can also set up recurring payments, like the one I set up here. You can also set up different kind of additional pricing options for like subscriptions after this. So you can have for like coaching, say like, just people who just want coaching, people who want specific types of coaching. So you could do group coaching, you could do small group coaching, or you could do individual one-on-one coaching. This is a really great way to not only sell your course afterwards, but also offer additional upsells. And the bonus is that there's a lot of different flexible payments so that it gives buyers the choice to decide what works best for their budget. So let me just click Save. And then let me also then show you, I mentioned another caveat about some of the features in Thinkific that may sort of conflict with the free lesson and or free chapter in your course. So let's just say my course is set to drip. The idea is that I may, for people who buy up front, I want them to start at a certain date because I really want students to finish. The challenge is that then this sort of messes with people then who are enrolled in their free preview in terms of the timing and when the content is released. So You may then decide to not want to do the drip, or you may decide to create a separate mini course with just the lessons that are in the free individual lessons, like a free mini course full of the individual lessons that you've just selected, and then use that as a sign up and opt in for people to sign up for your list. So now that I've shown you how it looks, let's just take a look how it looks like as a student. And then I'll show you what it looks like on the landing page so that you can get an idea of how the whole package looks. So as you see, then the students will get access to these lessons because those are free. And so this is just, I'm just making sure that this looks okay and this is fine. And then what I now want to do is take the link for this course and then check the landing page so that people can, you can see what it looks like on the landing page. Now for this, I'm going to have to sign out of my Thinkific account because otherwise it won't really show up. So I'm going to quickly pause. So now what I've done is signed out of my account so that you can see what it looks like on the landing page. So I copied the URL, make sure I'm signed out, and then now that it's in here, you can see that this is my curriculum, and anything that will be a free preview will have the free preview next to it. So you can see what is free, and then people can get a sense of like, okay, so this is the free preview. Now what's after the free preview? And the cool thing is then, if I didn't really customize this landing page, but if you can see that then there are different pricing options below that I talked about. So you have the recurring price, you have the regular price, you can have a premium coaching package, 3 group call package, or a monthly group call. So the idea is then all this then shows up to give people options that after they've consumed the first course, not the first course, the first lesson or the first chapter, they can choose to buy the course up front or pay in recurring payments or sign up for different options such as coaching. So, and then this just shows you that on the landing page, I can also add other upsells for the people to show that, you know, this is a continuation and this is a series. So after your first course, these are additional products that you can buy and learn more and some bonus material. So this is just sort of an overview, but I hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions, leave a comment, give this video a like, subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd like to see. Thanks again.